Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Galaxy Note 9 is a huge 6.4-inch smartphone, and there are chances you might drop it or might slip off your hand. And I'm sure you don't want to break your $1,000 smartphone. The smartphone comes with a standard soft rubberized case in the box that does give a solid grip but still doesn't help much. In this video, I'll show you two main official cases for this smartphone and also few more case options Samsung is giving us. Also, don't forget to click on the card to see my HTC Desire 12 Plus giveaway and participate to win the contest. All the best in advance. I will announce the winner on 10th of September, so do participate in the contest. I will also provide the links in the description below for the video. So let's start this video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So before I show you two main official cases, let me show you first what do you get out of the box. So this soft rubberized case is given by Samsung out of the box. It's a basic case, but one good thing about this case is that you get a solid grip to the otherwise slippery phone. Now let's unbox the LED view cover. I think this is the best cover with some cool options like card pocket and LED display. I like the grip it gives to the phone and the options to see your calls and messages. For some reason, it does remind me of HTC Dot View case, which was launched by HTC with HTC M8 long time back. It definitely makes the phone a bit wider, but it's a very light case, so does not make the phone bulkier, which is a good thing. Also, when you open the cover, there is a small wallet on the left, and it also shows you the area where the magnet is and which connects to the other side. So you can keep one or two cards, but I think one is more advisable as it will be congested and it will make the phone a bit more thicker. So one will be advisable, but it definitely gives Note 9 a good protection from any small drop or any accident. So when you receive a call, it will show you the name of the caller, or if you haven't saved the name, it will show you the incoming call number. Now you can just swipe to connect to the call, and when connected, it will show you that call is connected with a timer. You can also increase or decrease volume from the side. Now let's talk about the second most popular cover, the clear view case. You can see the always on screen on the front side, which is a good thing. Let's open the case. In terms of thickness, it's a bit slimmer than the LED cover. Let's put the phone inside and see how it looks. So it's really nice looking case, but I don't like the shiny front side. But in terms of productivity, it's a great idea to see all your calls, messages, and always on screen. You can attend all your calls by the regular swipe as you do normally on your smartphone. Also with the Blue Note 9, there's an option of blue S View cover. The case is really nice, but it's a bit shiny from the front. With Blue Note 9, both the colors will match, black or blue S View cover. Also, one of the cool thing about the case is that you can use it as a stand. So it's easily foldable and you can place it anywhere, watching media or taking pictures, etc. There are few more cover options given by Samsung, like the leather wallet cover, which is a really luxurious and made out of genuine calf leather, and inside has a microfiber lining to protect your phone. The downside is that you can't see any notification or calls when the cover is closed. Also, there is a silicone cover which gives a solid grip to the phone. Also has a microfiber protection for the phone from inside. This cover feels really soft and very lightweight. So guys, these are some of the main cover options given by Samsung. There are plenty of cases by third-party developers as this is a flagship by Samsung. Suppose you don't like the flip cases, you must put a tempered glass protection to protect the expensive screen, as even a small drop will cost you a lot of money, as the screen is half the price of the phone. One more important thing is that the tempered glass protection should be of good quality, otherwise your finger touch will not work. Yes, this is again an issue in most of the tempered glass cases, which is like substandard. The finger touch doesn't work, so it can be very annoying at times. That's all from this video, guys. Do participate in my giveaway. Links will be in the description. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.